In this video, we're going to learn about what graph best fits a particular problem, okay, if we need to show it on a graph. So if we have a problem like this that says, what type of graph would you use to show ice cream cones purchased in a week? 85 cones were sold on Saturday, none were sold on Sunday and Monday, 70 were sold on Tuesday, 80 were sold on Wednesday, and 70 were sold on Thursday. So what's the best way to show this? And your choices are stem and leaf plot, line graph, circle graph, or pictograph. So the best way to show this type of data, the best graph to show change over time is a line graph. So the best way to show this data is a line graph. Okay, because it shows change over time, right? So we're going from Saturday to Thursday and we have to see how many cones were sold on each day. So this is how it would look if you graphed it. It's not asking you to graph it, but this is how it would look. So you have a good picture of this in your head if you have another problem like this down the line. So on Saturday, there were 85 cones sold. On Sunday and Monday, none were sold. On Tuesday, 70 were sold. And then on Wednesday, 80 were sold. And on Thursday, 70 were sold. Right? So that's this data shown in a graph. And if you want to take a look at some other problems like this, in the description below, I have links to other problems like this that I've done in the past.